Welcome back to Drumming with Josh. I'm Josh, and in this video we're talking about paradiddles. Paradiddles are one of the more functional rudiments you'll learn when you're first getting started. Understanding this rudiment and how to practice them will improve your speed and control. This video will use some of the concepts learned in the singles, doubles, triples video, so if you haven't checked that out, click the link above. I'm really excited to be making this video. This is actually the video that kind of inspired me to even start this channel, but everything else kind of needed to be explained, so we had a framework to kind of build off of, some language that we can use that's common. Anyways, once you're ready, grab your sticks and a practice pad, and let's get into it. The nice thing about paradiddles is that the name tells you what it is. First, we're going to play a pair, dominant and offhand. Then we're going to play a diddle, or double. Then we play another pair, offhand, dominant hand, followed by another diddle. Paradiddle, paradiddle. If you're right-handed, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And if you're left-handed, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Because of the sticking, we end up playing this pattern equally with both hands if we just keep repeating it. Let's play some of these super slowly. Doesn't matter which hand you start with, just try to keep the pattern. 1, 2, pair, diddle, pair, diddle, pair, diddle, pair, diddle, pair, diddle. This is what it sounds like when you speed it up a bit. Notice the emphasis or accent on the first note of each paradiddle. To practice paradiddles, it helps to know the basic pattern being played. Let's take just our dominant hand. To establish what our dominant hand is doing, let's play the full pattern, but let's take our offhand and tap it on our leg instead of the pad. Try this with me. 1, 2, paradiddle. Hopefully you can start to hear the dominant hand pattern more clearly. This is what it would be if we were to count it. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. This is the basic pattern being played by both hands. Let's practice this on its own with both hands together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 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 3, and 4. A little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 4. And just a little faster still. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now, because paradiddles are the same pattern for both hands, we only have one bass rhythm to practice. Both hands are playing the same thing, they're just offset from one another. We'll find this to be the case with many of the rudiments that we learn. Remember to practice slowly and intentionally. Speed comes with practice, and practice takes time. You're training your mind and your body. Be patient. Now that you know what paradiddles are, join me for a guided practice. If you find this content helpful, please share it with a friend and let me know what you think in the comments below. New videos are available each week, so hit the bell for notifications. Till next time.